Welcome everyone to another video where today we will be unboxing a brand new figure. Now, this figure will be much needed inside of the collection. It will be greatness to the pick fed. And yeah, let's dive right into it. Okay, this figure is Dominic Mysterio from Elite Series 109. This is back at the packaging. For people to just take a picture, maybe read the little info it has on the back. But yeah, should have another unboxing later on. But let's see what this figure has. Alright, now we have Dominic Mysterio's accessories, not including the hands he already has on the body of the figure, including the head that's on the figure. But diving into these accessories, he comes with a flannel, long sleeve flannel, which is pretty cool. I could probably put this on Brock Lesnar and multiple other guys. That look pretty good. Now diving into his other accessory is bandana. Mask. If it's great on the figure, could fit great on other figures, maybe other Judgment Day guys like Damian Priest or Finn Balor. Now his glasses is just glasses. It comes with, guys, I'm not sure what guys exactly, but Dominic Mysterio. I think some Miz has these, and moving on to these fists. Works perfectly well. Probably not gonna use them. Alright. Oh wait. There we go. Right. So we have with us Judgment Day and Brock Lesnar, Rey Mysterio. I brought Brock Lesnar in to try out this flannel. It should be good. Oh, I'm gonna try it right now. Okay, I don't know how this looks on camera, but in person it doesn't look too bad. Like if I just swap out this head sculpt for the Farmer Brock head sculpt, I think that'll look better, but I don't know. But it's time to dive into the other figure comparisons where we have Dominic Mysterio, the main guy, and all this. Let's get Judgment Day in there. Alright, let's see some Judgment Day poses. And there we have the Judgment Day I gave Finn Balor, Dominic Mysterio's bandana, and put the flannel right back on Dominic Mysterio. I have these glasses, I moved it around, but I didn't really find much people that really could wear this glasses good. Oh. Anyway, to our final. As I was saying, time for our final figure comparisons. In our figure comparisons, we've looked at Judgment Day to Brock Lesnar, but now it's time for the last figure comparisons, which is Dominic Mysterio and Rey Mysterio, father and son duo. Now, I think this Dominic Mysterio could work both ways. The boots can throw it off, but I think it can work both ways. It is a bland attire, and this is one of the only Rey Mysterios I do have. My other Rey Mysterio is the WCW Halloween Havoc Rey Mysterio, but this Rey is only black and red, and a little bit of white in there. The Dom is mostly black and white and has some purple. Anyway, basically that's it. I'm gonna put in another little part of Dominic Mysterio wearing every single thing he has in box, including the bandana and glasses, which were separate from the figure in box. So I'm gonna put that picture in. It's somewhere in the video, but that should do it for our figure comparisons. Everyone, I hope you have a great day and a good night. We're off. See you on the next unboxing video, and see you on the next video of AFW.